Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to do another trendy, creative kind of look. Alright, again, this look was not planned. I just went with the flow, and this is the look that I came up with. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's see how did we get this look. Stay tuned with me till the end. Let's get started. Foundation, I'm gonna mix two today, which is Maybelline Super Stay Foundation and the MAC Studio Weight Light Foundation. Mix it. So foundation done. Let's move to the concealer. For concealer, I'm using my favorite Maybelline concealer, 𝐏𝐫𝐸. I'm going to take the beauty sponge, the Real Technique beauty sponge, and just blend it all. Let's set this with a translucent powder or a brightening powder. I'm going to use the Essence Brighten Up powder. This is a powder which is really lightweight, and it just instantly brightens up your under eye. Today for contour, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty contour stick, which is in shade Walnut. I'm going to do a very light contour. Nothing too crazy. Again, with my beauty sponge, I'm just going to dab it. And make sure it's blended well. Once this is blended, I'm going to use my favorite Cheek Parade palette, from which I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer to bronze my face. So with the bronzing brush, go very light-handed when you're doing bronzing, or you can go all out as you please. I love how bronzy the face looks. Blush, I'm going to use the same combination, my favorite, on the apples of my cheek, on my nose. I just like to add a little bit on the chin as well. Alright, now let's move on to the eyebrows. For that, I'm going to use NYX eyebrow pencil and the Essence Make Me Brow. I'll do that off camera and I'll be back. So eyebrows done. These are not the perfect eyebrows today. Somehow I'm just been struggling to do the eyebrows perfectly. So let's get on to the eyes. Let's see what are we going to do today. So before anything, let's go and prime our eyes. I'm going to use the NYX concealer to prime my eyes. And to set it, I'm again going to use the Essence powder. You just have to set the concealer so that it doesn't move and doesn't crease. I'm going to apply highlighter. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Can you see the glow? Ooh.
A little bit on the brow bone, on the tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and the remaining on the forehead.
Right, for today, we're going to go again all out with colors. So today, the color that we're going to choose first, the palette that we're going to choose is the ABH Norvina collection palette. And the colors are so beautiful. So the color that we are going to go and use I'm all confused what color to use actually. So let's see. Let's get started. So with a blending brush, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade which is B5, which is a light brown shade, all right? Tap the excess. Build that color in my socket. You don't need too much, just little, so that you have something on the eyes. Okay, the same thing on the other eye. Okay, now that we have some color that is going on our lid, we're going to leave the lid empty. Yes, we're going to leave the lid empty. And now what we're going to do is we're going to work with the colors only on the lower lash line and our inner 1/3 of the eye. I'm going to take a soft pencil brush, okay, and I'm going to go with the color. Let's go with A1, which is a fluorescent color, fluorescent green color. And dab the color in the inner corner. I tried doing the lighter shade in the inner corner of the eye, but it just didn't happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an eye primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills, a lighter shade, which is like a white. And I'm going to put it in the inner 1/3 of the eye. This is basically, I'm going to put it everywhere where I want to put the lighter color. I'm just going to run whatever is left on my brush on the lower lash line. I'm going to take actually a flat shader brush, easily deposit the color. Can you see the color? I'm not sure if the camera can catch it, but in person the shade is looking really amazing. Let's do the same thing on the other eye. So I'm going to just dab the color. The color is really very pretty. Now the shade that I'm going to take is going to be this shade, which is a little 2 shades darker to it, which is shade number D3. It's so easy to remember the shades. I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm just going to start with the inner 1/3. Blend the two colors well. Alright, just mix the two colors, just blend it well and do the same thing on the other eye. At the end, I'm going to use the darker shade that is there, which is the E1 shade in the outer corners, outer part of the eye. So again, I'm taking the same pencil brush and I'm just taking it right at the edge now. Just try and wing it a little, not too much, but just little. The same thing on the other eye. I'm going to take the 𝐏𝐫𝐸 eye pencil, which is in green color, and I'm just going to run it through my waterline. So this is how it looks till now. I love the greens. They look so nice and brown eyes. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick eyeliner. Okay, and the eyeliner that I'm going to use today is Maybelline Hyper Easy Liner. Alright, let's see. And I'm going to do it off camera and come back. Done my eyeliner. What I'm going to do next is with the eye pencil that I used in my waterline, I'm just going to drag it a little outside. And then I'm going to take an angular brush and just smudge it. Alright. So this is how it looks. You can leave it like this, you can apply your lipstick and you're done. But I'm going to take it one level up again. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Colourpop Wish Me Luck kind of sparkle that is there. It is like a glitter. I don't know whether you can see it. So with my ring finger, okay, I'm going to take this glitter and just dab it. Make sure you dab very, very little. You don't have to go overboard with it because we don't want the color to look too much. I'm sorry, we don't want the glitter to look too much. Alright, that's it. And the same thing on the other eye. How beautiful does it look when you open your eyes, when you close your eyes? Now the last I'm going to do is I'm going to apply mascara, and I'm going to apply the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. You can apply your falsies if you wish to. I do not know how to apply falsies. Let's get to the fact. So that's the reason I don't apply falsies. Alright, let's go to the lipstick. Last one. For lipstick, I'm going to mix two colors. Again, Maybelline colors. One is in shade 10 and the other one is 50. So let's try. You can keep it nude color, but I think pink will just get the entire look together. I think this alone looks beautiful. Yeah, I think this alone looks very pretty. I'm not going to add any other color. So this is the final look. So sparkly. I'm going to take my camera in the sunlight and see how the sparkle looks like. So come on, let's. So this is how it looks in the daylight. And this is how it looks in the sun. Too much sun. This is the final look. Thank you once again for stopping by. I love you all. Mwah.